with understanding what is digital marketing, and then we will look at why digital marketing is so popular. We will look at why digital marketing is so popular in Nepal as a region. What are the opportunities in future that you have? Like if you learn digital marketing, आप क्या क्या चीज़ें कर सकते हो? करियर वाइज आप जॉब कर सकते हो, आप फ्रीलांसिंग कर सकते हो, आप खुद का बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. सो व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स आर देयर, और क्या सारे पैरामीटर्स है विच इज because of which you see rise of digital marketing in different locations and different regions, right? So let's begin. Let me ask this question to all of you. By the way, those who answer correctly, the chances are there that you will gonna win Amazon gift vouchers from my end, or maybe any e-commerce website vouchers from my end. What do you guys think, that digital marketing? I know आप लोगों ने बहुत जगह पर सुना होगा, आपने वीडियोस देखे होंगे, आपने ब्लॉग्स पढ़े होंगे. तो अगर आपसे मैं पूछूं, what do you mean by digital marketing? It's fine. Wrong answers are also welcome. It's completely fine, but just answer it into the chat box. What do you mean by digital marketing? Marketing through digital platform, a way to establish a solid digital presence. Okay, good attempt, Roshan. Arogya. Pramod says making your brand sell over digital platforms. Absolutely. Sanmit says marketing through digital way. Great. Purnima says internet marketing. Okay, you just said in a synonym to what is digital marketing. So first of all, let me tell you, we in industry we call it digital marketing in a different way. We also call it as online marketing. You can also call it as internet marketing, online advertising, digital advertising. All of that is have a same meaning of digital marketing. Okay, it is an online platform where we can advertise our ambitions, upselling products over digital market. Absolutely. So you guys are right. Now what I have done is, I have taken uh, a certain uh, you know uh, definition. I've just copy pasted from the Wikipedia. All right, so don't take me wrong. I'll just read that out and then I'll explain you in a layman's language. So digital marketing is an umbrella term for the targeted, measurable, and interactive marketing of products and services using digital technology to reach and convert leads into customer and retain them. Wow, this went completely bouncer. I understand, because this is a very technical definition. This is what happens, when you read blogs or you try to understand it from different language, different blogs and different articles. Now let me make you understand what exactly is digital marketing. So anything, any kind of marketing activity that you do on digital products, digital electronic devices, that will be called as a digital marketing. So you market your products or you market your services to the customers who are using smartphone. Smartphone is what? An electronic device, right? Then you have a Facebook in your smartphone, you have Google in your smartphone, you have different applications in your smartphone. So that will be considered as a digital marketing. You market your products, your services to people who use laptops, who use desktops, who use computers. These are what? Electronic devices. Okay. So again, in laptop you can access all the websites, all social media platforms, Google, XYZ websites, and everything. Wherever you market your customers onto electronic devices will be considered as a digital marketing. Now earlier, TVs, televisions were also used to consider under digital advertising, but then because you don't have that much flexibility in terms of reaching out to the customer one to one, that is what something that you can do in social media and other ways of online marketing. So that's why TV is now, people have started considering it under offline marketing. Okay. So what happens is, we as a humans, we are living into I mean, this is what I've heard from the experts, the mentors whom I follow. They are actually saying it that, this is the best time for humanity to live. Okay. 2020, of course I understand pandemic and all of is there, but then uh, why it is, to be called as the best time to live in 2020, or going forward, because things are so much connected nowadays. Okay. If you look back 10 years back, 12 years back, you know, even to, you know, reach out your message, I mean, if you wanted to, आपको एक मैसेज भी भेजना था तो काफ़ी समय लग जाता था, करेक्ट, बिकॉज आप एक जन को भेजोगे या हम चिट्ठी लिखते थे. सो ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स वर देयर which have changed drastically in like 5-6 years. ओके, एंड इसके पीछे का रीज़न क्या है कि क्यों अचानक से डिजिटल इतना बूम हो गया है और क्यों डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, you know, a lot of brands have started considering digital marketing seriously, you know. So let's go back. If we go back, you know, 15 years back, 20 years back, or 30 years back, you know, what we see earlier, we had what, billboards, posters, then we had a radio. Okay, how many of you remember your grandparents, हमारे दादा दादी, you know, radio सुना करते थे, correct? So that gave a birth to radio advertising. Why? Because see, brands are very smart. जहाँ जहाँ पे उनके customers जाएंगे, wherever their customers are, they will follow you. Okay, they will kind of target you, they will market you wherever you go. So that gave a birth to radio advertising. And then the humans evolved, technology evolved, we got televisions. So then we got, you know, TV advertising, TV marketing, TVCs, right? Which is still one of the, you know, one of the most popular way of marketing to reaching out to the masses, which a lot of people are still doing it. And then we, you know, got computers. So we've got email. So then we've got email marketing. Then we've got, you know, Facebook. We've got Google. So slowly and gradually, you know, different platforms came in. And nowadays, people are there on smartphone, right? More than 80-85% of people are using smartphone nowadays. So that's why brands are taking, you know, digital platform as a very serious platform to market their products and services. Okay, if you ask me, I have been into this, you know, evolution or revolution, whatever you call it. Okay, I've seen it, you know. जो companies होती हैं उन्होंने अपने decisions change किए हैं इन 12 से 15 साल में. जब हम 12-15 साल पहले जब हम किसी क्लाइंट के पास जाते थे, यू नो, टू आस्क के सर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग करवाइए, तब कोई भी सामने से, यू नो, इतना रिस्पॉन्स नहीं देता था. तब एट दैट टाइम दे यूज टू प्रमोट their products and services more onto newspapers. Why? Because people are used to newspaper, right? I mean, which has drastically gone down, especially in like recent time. Now we have applications, right? We have a Twitter. अगर हमको कुछ भी न्यूज़ जाननी है तो what we do, we go on Twitter and we get to know about that. So because the gradual shift happened of the customers from you know, different platform to the smartphone and to the desktop and to the digital platform, companies are following that, you know, brands are following that, brands भी वहीं पर जाके market कर रहे हैं, correct? So that is in a nutshell about digital marketing. Now let's understand, you know, why we see there is a rise, you know, of digital marketing in Nepal. Okay, so these are just stats, you know, which I have taken it from, you know, one of the best online case studies that we've got into Hootsuite. So this is Jan 2020 updated data. Okay, now if you see, the penetration has reached to 35%. Okay, so there is it is on a, you know, what do you say, it is on a growth speed. I mean, if we look at the statistics of digitalization in Nepal, right? So 35% of the total population has, you know, active social media users. Okay, it's Hootsuite. If you guys have heard about Hootsuite, you can actually take a lot of data from there, or maybe once we are done with the session, I'll kind of share the, you know, the exact link from where I've taken this data. Okay, so you can completely trust this. An international top 3, top 5 companies who do the market research, right? So why it is the right time to choose this platform, especially when, you know, you have something in the growth period, correct? अभी ये ऊपर टेक ऑफ करने वाला है, तो जब वो टाइम पर if anyone joins the bandwagon, you know, that is to be considered as the, you know, perfect time. Because if you start now, maybe after a couple of years or 3 years or 5 years, when the actual thing reached out, you know, to that particular peak, तब आपको उसका actual advantage and benefit मिलेगा. You know, for example, you look at India as well, right? It is still on the in the on the growth mode when it comes to digital, right? Now, these are I have taken this data from CNBC, so I'm also citing from wherever I'm getting this data, right? If we look at the, because it's a digital marketing, you can work for any company, irrespective of where they are based in. Like very recently updated, as you can see, this data is updated like in November 2020. Okay, so here also you see online specialist, and it is growing by more than 400%. So that is what happening, even in India or in the entire world. You see there is too much demand of skilled digital marketeers and skilled online marketeers, but supply बहुत कम है. There are no one, I mean, there are very less people. Even if you ask me, we are looking for people to join our company, but then when we take interviews, when we get to know that there are very less people are there in the market whom we can ask them to work for us, and we find very less number of people are there. So it is there, it is the fastest growing industry, if you look at uh, the overall globe. This is again top 20 highest. Now let's talk about the numbers. Okay, how much money you can make. I'm not committing anything. This is not a kind of a scheme that I'm selling. Okay, but then I'm taking data from Upwork and Elance and Odesk, which is the reputed websites available on the internet. Okay, so these are the top 20 highest paying freelance skills. Okay, a lot of people learn digital marketing. Why? Because they want to start a blog, they want to become a blogger, and now people are there, who are taking it seriously as their one of the career domain. A lot of people wants to become a blogger, writer, or maybe content creators, and then we have so-called influencers, food bloggers, food influencers, travel influencers. So just people who don't want to work with under anyone, or who wants to work independently or sell their services, we call them freelancers, right? So as you can see, it is there in the top 5. We have a Google website optimizer who can make around $53 hourly. Okay, now let's understand, let's assume that maybe this data is exaggerated. So if you even consider $25 or $30 also hourly, and let's say how many hours you work in a week. Okay, in a day you work, let's say 5 hours. Okay, 20 hours in a week, and then you do the calculation. Okay, how much money you can make in a week, and then how much you can make it in a month. All right. So these are some stats to make you guys understand that this is the right way. And I always go with 3 R. आपको लाइफ में कभी भी कुछ चाहिए होता है ना, तब आपको 3 R हमेशा होने ज़रूरी है. एक होता है राइट चीज़ राइट जगह पे है और राइट टाइम पे, राइट? So these are the 3 things that required, all right, to be successful in the life. And what I think is that digital, uh, I don't know if you guys have seen this, when we were small, that time, जब कंप्यूटर का एक एरा आया था, तब सारे लोग कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग कर रहे थे. And then there was an era where everyone was doing MBA, and then there was an era where everyone wanted to become a CA. Now this is an era, this is just the beginning of that era where everyone will go and learn digital marketing. Why? Because there is huge demand in the market. Okay, so this is what we will be learning going forward. What are things comes under digital marketing, and I'll try to make you guys share some of the tools, some practical knowledge to you, so that you can understand uh, what exactly these tools and platforms do under digital marketing. Okay, so like I said, what is digital marketing? So digital marketing is the promotion of a product, a service, or a brand on electronic devices, as simple as that. So that's digital marketing for you. But wait, what is it exactly? Okay, now if you have to break it down, digital marketing is an umbrella term. Okay, which you can say to promote any electronic devices. Under digital marketing, we have got small modules and those small pillars. जैसे you have SEO, uh, which is optimizing your website on Google so that your website ranks at the top and you get number of inquiries and number of business leads traffic from there. Then we have social media, right? So social media के अंदर भी आपको अलग अलग channels मिल जाते हैं. You have Facebook, you have Twitter, correct? You have Instagram, which is growing rapidly. Then you have content marketing, you have display marketing, mobile marketing, blogging. All of these parts are there under digital marketing. Okay, but why is digital marketing is so trendy? Okay, why do you think digital marketing is so trendy? Okay, marketing is trendy. Why? Because it's cheap. Okay, and all you need is a skill. Now if I have to, when I say it's cheap, let us compare. Okay, with traditional marketing, let's compare this with the digital marketing. Okay, so first of all, when I say traditional marketing, I'm saying offline marketing. Now I want all of you to tell me what all things comes under offline marketing. What do you think? What all things comes under offline marketing? Come on. Yes, so we've got newspaper, uh, TVC, door to door sales. Absolutely right, Pramod. Correct, correct. So hoardings, displays, billboards, uh, anything which is there. Or maybe you guys must have seen mall activations, the events that happens in the malls. You have pamphlets, right? शॉप्स पे कहीं आपको नीचे अगर कोई कोई स्टैंडर्ड दिख जाती है, those are called as the exact offline marketing, right? And then we have the other side, we have a digital marketing, which is your search, social marketing, and XYZ email marketing and all of that. Now this is just a basic comparison of how much it costs to reach out to the 2000 as an audience. Okay, let's say you want to reach out to 2000 people. Okay, uh, then here this is just a comparison that how much it will cost you if you go with offline marketing. So if you want to do radio ads, you know how expensive radio ads is. Okay, and that too, you never know that if somebody is listening to you at that point of time or not. Newspaper, again, damn expensive, but then again, you are not sure. Can you track who is actually watching your or reading your advertisement on newspaper? Can you get that data, that how many people are actually reading about your newspaper, about your ad, or how many have actually seen your ad and have called you? Yes, I've only got no. Others, I'm assuming yes, you can track how many people have seen your ad. Of course, you can get to know how many subscriptions are there for that newspaper. Okay, but then how many have actually read your ad? See, your ad is there such a small in that particular entire 10 pages of newspaper. I'm asking, can you say that out of, let's say, 10,000 people have bought that newspaper, 5,000 have seen it or 8,000 have seen it? No, right? What if I tell you in digital marketing, we get that liberty, you get that options where you can actually track each and every individual part of a user, कि वो वेबसाइट पे आपकी कहाँ से आया, कितना टाइम रुका, उसने कौन सा प्रोडक्ट खरीदा, और कितने टाइम बाद वो वेबसाइट से चला गया. So all of that you can track in digital marketing. I will show that exciting, there's one tool called as the Google Analytics. I will show that live to you. To do right, it's always fun and interactive, because social media is all about what, creatives. It's all about coming up creative ideas, coming up with unique ideas to promote your products, promote your services. Correct? And entire world is your limit, right? Entire world is your limit. Now I'll give you one example. Okay, where I stay here in Mumbai, uh, one of my friend, okay, he used to have sell those sunglasses. It was not first copy, second copy sunglasses. It was his own branded sunglasses. He has a very nice little shop. I've suggested him. I'm talking about around 3 years back story. Not 3 years. I think 2.5 year back. So he then I've asked him to why don't you like upload these pictures on Instagram? Why don't you create your account on Instagram and create on Facebook and then talk to different people who have a good following on Instagram. So he started doing it. He started publishing on Instagram, and then you won't believe now even he uh, he parcels, he delivers some of his products to the different countries, right? Not even in India from Mumbai. He also delivers it to different cities in India, but then he also do it you know uh, for into different countries, correct? So that's the power, that's the power of digital, that you are sitting here, you can work and for anything, you can complete any task, complete any job that you want to do by using Google, by using Facebook, by using different digital technologies, right? Vidyanand says, just like Jet King post an ads on Facebook and we join the class. Absolutely. So see, that is one of the example. Absolutely. And like I said, it's easy to analyze. So you get nice graph, you get nice numbers. I will show that to you later on in this session, that what kind of data you can track, what kind of numbers that you can track when it comes to analyzing the website data. So let's get into it. Now we will actually get into what all things comes under digital marketing. Uh, you know, if you guys are there with me, say yes into the chat box. I hope all of you guys are with me till now. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Uh, मैं ज़्यादा फास्ट जा रहा हूँ, स्लो जा रहा हूँ, तो आप मुझे बता दीजिएगा. So I'll go it accordingly. Amazing. I've got a lot of yeses. So that seems fine. So number one, what we have in digital marketing is what we call as a search engine marketing. Okay, what we have is a search engine marketing. Now let me just go live and explain you what I'm talking about. Let me just go live. I'll share one more screen. Okay, so this is my company website called as Allied Digital Media. Maybe you can go it on later on. You can check this website. These are some of our clients. Okay, coming back to search engine advertising. Okay, I'm going on Google, right? Now, whatever you search on Google, do you know that there are two different ways users can come to your website by searching on Google? Okay, now let's say I'm saying I'm looking for let's say I'm looking for what? I'm looking for shirts online. I want to buy shirts online. Okay, so I would say buy shirts online. Correct? Now, remember I said there are two ways that customers come to your website. One is here at the top that you see. These are ads. Okay, we call them as Google ads, right? Let me just zoom this a bit so that you guys can read that. This is an ad, right? So these 1, 2, 3, and 4, these results are called as Google ads. You can also call it as a search engine marketing. Okay, so there is a detailed software. Now how it works, how many of you have heard about Google ads? Say yes into the chat box if you guys have heard about before the Google ads. Is there anyone who have heard about Google ads before? Great. Okay, so how many of you know that this works on a PPC mechanism? This works on a PPC mechanism, right? So that is what we call it as a pay per click. Now how it works? Okay, it's very interesting. It's very interesting process. Let me just show that to you. So these are the keywords. Okay, so you can choose on which keyword you want to showcase your website listing. Okay, you can do that. Yes, you can choose that on which keyword you want to showcase your website listing. All right, we call these terms as a keywords, right? And then Google also provides you data कि ये कीवर्ड कितने लोग सर्च कर रहे हैं आपके लोकेशन में, और कितने लोग यही कीवर्ड पे अपनी वेबसाइट को ऊपर लाना चाह रहे हैं, एज इन व्हाट इज द कंपटीशन of this particular keyword. Now what if I tell you that you can set your website here at number one by bidding higher. Now, what is bidding? Okay, so let's understand this way. Okay, we have here indianterrain.com, and then here we have the soldstore.com. So these are two websites. All right. There is a reason that Indian Terrain is ranking at number one and the Soul Store is ranking at number two. So the reason is bidding. Okay. So what is bidding? In Hindi, we call it as a Nilami. Okay. In stock exchange, you bid, you bid higher, you bid higher. In Nilami also, आपको अगर कुछ चीज़ खरीदनी है जो काफ़ी एंटिक होती है या काफ़ी पॉपुलर होती है, फॉर एग्जांपल किसी फेमस सेलिब्रिटी का जैकेट हो गया, या किसी फेमस क्रिकेटर का बैट हो गया, राइट, या जर्सी हो गई या जैकेट हो गया, सो दैट गेट इनटू बिडिंग. Same happens here. Google gives an opportunity to everyone to bid for that keyword. So let's say ये keyword की bidding है अभी 10 rupees. Now Indian Terrain is paying 10 rupees to Google, okay, for this particular keyword to showcase their ad at number one position. And the Sold Store is paying maybe 9 rupees to showcase their ad. That's why they are at the number two position. Now what happens is, इसमें मज़ा तब आता है जब ये रियल टाइम में चेंज होता है. यू कैन इंक्रीज योर बिडिंग. सो अगर सोल्ड स्टोर बोलेगा कि मुझे फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे आना है, आई वांट टू बी एट द टॉप, सो व्हाट दे विल डू, दे विल चेंज देयर बिडिंग टू 10 रुपीज़ टू 12 रुपीज़. तो गूगल पे जैसे आपने बिडिंग चेंज की, ये सीधा आ जाएगा यहाँ पे फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे. एंड देन इंडियन टेरेन वो देख रहा है, इंडियन टेरेन विल से नो, आई वांट टू रैंक एट number one position. So they will change the bidding to 15 rupees. The Sold Store will again change it to 20 rupees. They will change to 30 rupees. They will change to 50 rupees. What happened? जिस कीवर्ड की प्राइस 10 रुपए थी वो अब 50 रुपए हो गई. Okay, and that's how you beat the competition, and that's how you get maximum number of clicks. And all of this you can do it. There's a platform called as a Google Ads, which in this course we cover in detail. ये कोर्स में हम आपको पूरा डिटेल में बताते हैं कि ये एड्स कैसे बनानी है, कीवर्ड्स कैसे सिलेक्ट करने हैं, उनमें बिडिंग कैसे करना है. एंड देन कुछ हिडन सीक्रेट्स होते हैं, जैसे बिना ज़्यादा बिडिंग किए मैं अपनी वेबसाइट को नंबर वन पे लेके आ सकता हूँ. ओके, सो देयर आर दोज strategies and tips and techniques which we cover in detail. There's detailed 20-30 hours का course on specifically focused on Google Ads. All right, now you must be, अच्छा, इसमें से कितने लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन आया कि बॉस 10 रुपए की प्राइस थी कीवर्ड की, अब 50 रुपए हो गई. डोंट यू थिंक गूगल कितने पैसे कमा रहा है? यस, सो गूगल मेक 98% of their revenue through their advertising business. 98%. And rest 2% they make by selling their other services like G Suite हो गया, या होस्टिंग सर्विसेज हो गया, या वट एवर दे डू इट ऑन प्ले स्टोर, एंड्रॉयड, एंड वहाँ सबसे वो लोग कमाते हैं. बट देन मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ रेवेन्यू गूगल मेक्स इट फ्रॉम हियर एज एज फ्रॉम एन एडवर्टाइजिंग बिजनेस. करेक्ट? सो दैट्स वाई यू गेट एवरीथिंग फॉर फ्री, राइट? एक ऐसी सेइंग है, okay, there's one saying called as, if you are getting something for free then you are the product. बहुत बहुत डीप मीनिंग है इसका. इफ यू गाइज अंडरस्टैंड दिस, इट्स अ वेरी डीप मीनिंग वर्ड. इफ यू आर गेटिंग एनीथिंग फॉर एनी प्रोडक्ट फॉर फ्री, देन यू आर द प्रोडक्ट. करेक्ट? सो anyways, coming back to the second part. One is what I have seen is, as I've shared, is as a Google Ads. दूसरा इसका पार्ट है जो आप एड के नीचे देखते हैं, इसे हम कहते हैं ऑर्गेनिक लिस्टिंग. Okay, you can also call it as a natural listing. You can also call it as a SEO listing, right? This is where your blogging, your content marketing, and all of that comes into picture. Now, how to be here? So it's a very long process. जिसको ज़्यादा process follow नहीं करना है, they go with Google Ads. और जिनको थोड़ा डिटेल में process follow करना है और SEO में ranking चाहिए, यहाँ पर natural listing, organic listing में ranking चाहिए, then they have to follow certain parameters. Google have given those small 200 parameters कि अगर आपकी वेबसाइट को यहाँ पर टॉप पे लाना है तो आप ये सारे पैरामीटर्स फॉलो कीजिए, मैं आपकी वेबसाइट को टॉप पर लेके आऊँ. Okay, so again all of that. uh, uh, so Roshan, natural organic means यहाँ पर you don't need to pay any money to showcase your website. यहाँ पर you have to pay money to Google to showcase your website at number one, number two position. Okay, and why it is called as a PPC? Because Google will only deduct your money when somebody will click on your ad. So that's why it is called as a pay per click. Let's say at that time the keyword price was around 50 rupees when when somebody have clicked on your website. So abhi agar if I click on this website and let's say if this keyword has a bidding of 50 rupees, so the moment I click on this website, 50 rupees will get deduct from Indian Terrain's account and it will go to Google's account. Correct? So that's why you only pay when somebody clicks on your ad. But अगर आपके अकाउंट में बैलेंस खत्म हो गई तो your ads will not show up. Whereas in here, अगर आपको यहाँ पर organic listing में आना है, so why we call it as organic and natural? Because these are not ads. Here you don't need to pay anything to Google to showcase your listing over here. But then there are certain activities that you have to do it on your website. For example, आपकी website को वैसे fast load, your website needs to get loaded faster as compared to others. आपकी वेबसाइट सिक्योर होनी चाहिए, आपका कंटेंट अच्छा होना चाहिए जो आपकी वेबसाइट पर है. सो ऑल ऑफ दैट वी आर कवरिंग. अगेन वी हैव अ 12-14 hours course to be there to rank here at the top of Google. Okay, now why it is important to be there on Google? Do I need to give you guys a reason why it is important to be there on Google? No, because you look at our parents. I mean, मेरे पापा आज अगर हमें कुछ खरीदना होता है या फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी तो थिएटर्स वगैरह बंद है बट मूवीज देखने जाने होती है, तो बिफोर गोइंग आउट ही यूज टू टेल मी, बॉस पहले एक बार गूगल पर देख लो. सो और गूगल पे जो पहले आता है या एड्स में या ऑर्गेनिक में, वी कंसिडर देम एज व्हाट, अ क्रेडिबल वेबसाइट. ओके, सो वन यू गेट अ प्रेजेंस, आपका एक ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंस बढ़ जाता है, वेदर यू आर अ ब्लॉगर, वेदर यू आर ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट और वेदर यू आर अ कंपनी. टू, आपकी बिकॉज आपका प्रेजेंस और आपकी विजिबिलिटी बढ़ रही है, यू गेट lot of inquiries, lot of leads. All right, so for example, we rank on this keyword, okay, called as creative digital marketing companies in Mumbai. Okay, so when we were not ranking, we were hardly getting any leads. Okay, but once we started ranking in top 5, top 4 positions, okay, we get what, around 8 to 10 leads a day. So monthly it becomes to what, 300 leads in a month, right? I don't know, even some India related keywords also we get. When you search Facebook advertising in India, Facebook advertising agency in India, we there, our company ranks at the top. We get a lot of inquiries from different part of the world, and you never know, आपको कौन सी बड़ी इंक्वायरी आ जाए या कौन सी बड़ी ट्रैफिक आ जाए आपकी वेबसाइट पे, विच कैन चेंज योर बिजनेस in like sometimes overnight. Okay, so that's what search engine marketing is all about. And then this is what we've learned. यहाँ पर basically इसको मैं कहूँगा search engine marketing or advertising, which is a paid part. And what you see here, the organic listing, इसको मैं कहूँगा SEO. So SEO stands for search engine optimization, where you optimize your website. Okay, जैसे मैंने कहा, you make your website how to load quickly, you optimize your website's content, you optimize your website images and all of that. There are small 200 parameters which we cover in a detailed course. हम वो सारी चीज़ें सिखाते हैं कि आपकी वेबसाइट यहाँ पर टॉप पे कैसे आए, उन सारे कीवर्ड्स पे जिस पे ज़्यादा लोग आपको ढूंढ रहे हैं या आपके बिजनेस, आपके प्रोडक्ट्स को ढूंढ रहे हैं. करेक्ट, देन ओनली इट विल मेक सेंस. नो, अदरवाइज कोई वो प्रोडक्ट ढूंढ ही नहीं रहा है और उस पर मैं रैंक करूंगा तो इट विल मेक नो सेंस. I will not get any quality traffic, and that quality traffic will not get converted into sales, right? So that is what SEO is all about. Okay, so who does not use Google, right? Let me just share the screen again. right? So that's what I have just said. Who do not use Google, even जो लोग ही नए नए आए थे पहले, जो यूज कर रहे थे कि क्या होता है गूगल, वो लोग भी आज गूगल यूज करने लगे हैं. तो इन एसईओ वी हैव ऑन साइट ऑप्टिमाइजेशन एंड ऑफ साइट ऑप्टिमाइजेशन. ऑन साइट यानी कि आपकी वेबसाइट पे जो लोडिंग स्पीड होती है, जो टेक्निकलिटीज होती हैं, उसको कैसे इम्प्रूव करना है. एंड ऑफ साइट यानी आपकी वेबसाइट के अलावा दूसरी वेबसाइट्स पे हम कैसे लिंक्स, बैकलिंक्स बिल्ड करें जिससे आपकी वेबसाइट और पॉपुलर हो. वो सारी चीज़ें वी कवर अप इन दी ऑफ साइट एसईओ प्रमोशन. ऑलराइट. So on-site includes, basically it's for the bots. Whenever Google comes to your website, how you want to explain your website to Google. All of that we cover, in that particular course. By the way, do you know you can check when did Google recently came to your website? Okay, you can do that. जब कभी भी आप कोई वेबसाइट पे देखते हो उसके नीचे, most of the time we see these kind of, यहाँ पर अगर आप मैं फिर से एक बार स्क्रीन शेयर करता हूँ. लेट मी जस्ट शेयर द क्रोम स्क्रीन. या सो व्हेनेवर यू देयर यू गेट टू सी इन द गूगल, यहाँ पे आपको कैशे का ऑप्शन दिखता है. सो व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन दैट, यहाँ पर ऊपर में आपको दिखाता है कि दिस इज गूगल्स कैशे वर्जन ऑफ XYZ वेबसाइट. इट इज अ स्नैपशॉट ऑफ द पेज एज इट अपीयर्ड ऑन 15th December and so time and date. Sometimes Google shows so accurate data कि इस टाइम पर मैं आपकी वेबसाइट पर आया था क्रॉल और इंडेक्स करने, यानी आपकी वेबसाइट को चेक करने, राइट. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग वी विल बी लर्निंग इन डिटेल, in that particular detailed course where we are showing how to optimize your website for Google. Okay, so all these important things we will be learning when we learn SEO. Okay, now how Google judges your website, basis on कितने लोग आपकी वेबसाइट पर आ रहे हैं, उसमें से कितने लोग बाउंस बैक हो रहे हैं. एडवर्टाइजिंग विच आई सेड गूगल एड्स. तो गूगल एड्स में यू कैन रैंक योर वेबसाइट विद द कीवर्ड यू वांट. यू कैन चेक द कंपटीशन. सी दिस इज okay, let me tell you one of the biggest advantage of digital marketing. One of the biggest advantage, okay, is that you can check what your competitors are doing it. आपको एक पूरी उनकी स्ट्रैटेजी पता चलती है. आप ऐसे बहुत सारे टूल्स हैं जो हम शेयर करते हैं हमारे कोर्स में, where you get to know कि what your competitors are doing, and if you follow the same thing, you can also win the race, and you can also get more traffic and more revenue, more inquiries for your business, for your brand. And then एक बहुत बड़ा biggest disadvantage भी है digital marketing का, is the same thing that everyone can have a check on you as well. Okay, so it is so transparent so that it becomes your advantage also and disadvantage also. जिस तरह से आप आपके competitors का डेटा चेक कर सकते हैं, आपके competitors भी आपका डेटा चेक कर सकते हैं कि आप क्या चीज़ें कर रहे हैं. Okay, so which is fair enough, which is transparent. Okay, so these all things you can do with specifically with the Google ads. You can evaluate कि मुझे ये जो सेल आई है कल, एक जो मेरा एक शर्ट बिका है मेरी वेबसाइट पर, मेरा XYZ प्रोडक्ट बिका है, ये कौन से कीवर्ड से आई है, ये कहाँ से आई है, ये गूगल से आई है, ये फेसबुक से आई है, या ये XYZ वेबसाइट से आई है. आप उतना डिटेल में कौन से लोकेशन से आई है, इनफैक्ट ये कौन से स्मार्टफोन से आया है बंदा जिसने ये प्रोडक्ट खरीदा है. इज इट एन आईफोन और इज इट सैमसंग? इफ इट इज अ सैमसंग स्मार्टफोन, देन कौन सा वर्जन था वो फोन का. ऑल ऑफ दैट यू कैन ट्रैक इन डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, राइट. एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी कॉल इट एज अ PPC. करेक्ट, दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव शोन यू लाइव कि वो PPC कैसे मॉडल काम करता है. व्हाट वी कॉल इट एज अ पे पर क्लिक. And then there is a cost per click which you pay to Google. हर एक क्लिक की एक कॉस्ट होती है. Okay, there is a certain amount of click that you pay to the Google. And again, because it's very cheap, so बजट पूरा आपके हाथ में होता है. आपको कैसे कंट्रोल करना है बजट पे. You can set a budget for 100 rupees a day, 50 rupees a day. You can start with as low as you can. Okay, so that is something that you can customize, and all of that, वो कैंपेन कैसे क्रिएट करना है, बजट कैसे सेट करनी है, एड्स कैसे क्रिएट करनी है, all of that we cover in our in the detailed in the detailed course, in the detailed video. Then you have Google Analytics, which I will show to you later on. The next we have is the display ads. Okay, आई एम श्योर आप लोगों ने ये एड्स देखी होंगी जो आपको राइट हैंड साइड पर आती हैं और कभी टॉप पर आती हैं, यू नो द बैनर एड्स, right? So banner images, you know, video ads, or now we also have audio ads. So that is called as a display advertising. Okay, let's say if you go to any website, you know, XYZ website, जैसे I go to Times of India. Okay, they have a, you know, bang on one ad on the front page. Okay, let me just close this ad. There you go. Okay, so when you come down, you see these ads, right? यहाँ पे you see the ad. You come down, you know, when you go to the different categories also, let's say if you go to any XYZ article, you'll start seeing ads, you know, here at the top, sometimes here, right? Okay, can you see this? Now there is you will see different ads, you know, so there is also a concept of remarketing. Okay, there is also a concept of remarketing. Let me just share the screen again. There you go. See, I was talking about this. You see ads like these. You see ads like these. Now, how to get to know, you know, that what kind of ads is this, or who is from where these ads are coming from. ये ads कहाँ से आ रही है? So जब यहाँ पर आप आई बटन पर क्लिक करते हैं, there you go. Can you see this? It says ads by Google. So you can advertise your product, your brand on any XYZ website, you know, कोई भी कितनी भी बड़ी वेबसाइट हो, आप वहाँ पर आपकी एड चला सकते हो. Yes, all of that you can do with the help of Google Ads, right? And with the help of Google Display Ads. So that is a part of display ads. Now let us have again, you know, like a versus a differentiation between what we have in the traditional marketing and what we have in the you know, digital marketing. So one side we have a TV spots, you have TVCs. Here we have a YouTube ads. I'm sure you guys are watching YouTube videos. ऐसा कोई है जो यहाँ पे YouTube अभी तक जिसने विजिट नहीं किया हो? Is there anyone who have not visited a YouTube once in a day? तो हम एक बार YouTube खोलते ही हैं, and you know, whenever we are free, maybe you are checking the reviews of the product, maybe you are learning something new, you are finding some information, but while watching the YouTube you see YouTube ads, right? वो skip ads का option आता है, तो वो सारी ads होती हैं. Same goes, you know, here we have a radio, यहाँ पर we have a Facebook ads, यहाँ पर we have a poster ads, then we have a AdSense, then we have a print ads, here we have a Google ads. यहाँ पे आपको publicity या traditional marketing करते हैं, here we have a display marketing, right? So all of these things are there. Now let us look at the impact. Okay, impact कितना है traditional marketing versus digital marketing का? आप जब TVC देखते हो तो आपको बार बार जब वो आता है, you know, ad आता है बीच में, so there you remain attention is for the shorter time. Okay, whereas in here you have you know, customized ad. Okay, now do you know how much cost it goes to create one hoarding for any XYZ brand? You know, just guess any XYZ amount. एक होर्डिंग ऐड करनी होती है, एक बिलबोर्ड अगर लगाना होता है मुझे हाईवे पे या रोड्स पे, यू नो, या बड़े शॉप पे, इजीली इट गोज यू नो क्रॉस पास टू, अगर आपको कोई पॉपुलर जगह पर करना है तो इट मे कॉस्ट यू मोर देन, यू नो, थाउजेंड्स ऑफ रुपीज़. अगर वो गलती से आपने अगर उसमें कुछ मिस्टेक कर दी, यू नो, इन दैट पर्टिकुलर कंटेंट, अगर आपका बैनर या होर्डिंग में एक स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक हो गई है, सो तब क्या होगा? तब क्या होगा? यू हैव टू डू दैट अगेन, राइट? सो फिर से वो प्रिंटिंग का खर्चा आपको करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पर क्या होता है, यू कैन क्रिएट एज मेनी एड्स यू वांट, ओके, एंड यू कैन कस्टमाइज द एड्स. यू डोंट हैव एनी लिमिटेशंस कि आपको कितनी एड कॉपीज क्रिएट करनी है. आपको जितनी एड कॉपीज क्रिएट करनी है आप क्रिएट कर सकते हो, राइट? यहाँ पर थोड़ा इंटरप्ट लगता है ट्रेडिशनल मार्केटिंग में, यहाँ पर मोर एक्यूरेट है. मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरी एड, यू नो, XYZ नेपाल में बैठा बंदा, उसकी एज 15 से 30 हो या 30 से 50 के बीच में हो, और जिसे फैशन में इंटरेस्ट है, उसी को मेरी एड में दिखा सकता हूँ. यू नो, इट इज दैट एक्यूरेट दैट आई कैन सेट माई एड्स. अब नाउ लेट्स से if you sell more of a women fashion products, right, ladies bags अगर आप बेचते हो, तो do you think आप वो मेल्स को भी आप वो एड दिखाना चाहोगे? नहीं, राइट. आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स जो लोग यू नो दे कैन बी इन्फ्लुएंसर बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे मेल्स आर ओनली गोइंग टू स्वाइप देयर कार्ड, बट देन it doesn't make sense, right, to showcase your ad to the to someone else who is not going to take the final decision, right? तो उन्हें वो इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है. तो यही होता है ऑफलाइन मार्केटिंग में. आप हम सबको न्यूज़पेपर में ऐड डाल देते हैं विदाउट नोइंग कि क्या वो लोग इसमें इंटरेस्टेड हैं या नहीं. हम वेट करते हैं कि उनमें से कुछ इंटरेस्टेड होंगे, जो लोग आके मुझे कॉल करेंगे या मुझे इंक्वायर करेंगे. बट क्यों ना हम शुरुआत से ही ऐसा कुछ करें वेयर वी टारगेट अवर एड्स टू द रेलेवेंट पीपल. Yes, we can do that with the help of Facebook, Instagram, Google, and all their different technology of marketing. So like I said, you can get to know. Facebook आपका सारा डेटा जमा करता है जिस तरह से आप Facebook यूज़ करते हैं. लेट्स से आप Facebook यूज़ कर रहे थे, आपने एक फर्नीचर का कुछ प्रोडक्ट देखा या आपने कुछ फैशन का कुछ प्रोडक्ट देखा, आप उसे लाइक करते हो. आप खरीदते नहीं हो, आप उसे लाइक करते हो. बट देन वो डेटा फेसबुक के पास जाता है. फेसबुक अंडरस्टैंड्स के हीरेन को फैशन में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट है. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम से हीरेन को फैशन वाली एड ज़्यादा दिखाई जाए. या फिर मैंने किसी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस को लाइक किया है तो मुझे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक की एड्स ज़्यादा दिखती हैं. करेक्ट. एक चीज़ आप लोगों ने देखी होगी, आप व्हेन यू गो टू एनी XYZ वेबसाइट टू परचेज बट यू डोंट बाय दैट प्रोडक्ट. आप किसी रीज़न से वो प्रोडक्ट बाय नहीं करते. वो शूज़ हो सकता है या फॉर दैट मैटर मेक माई ट्रिप की वेबसाइट हो गई जो हमने अभी सालों में विजिट नहीं की है बिकॉज ऐसा लगता है कि पैंडमिक की वजह से हमने कभी ट्रैवल ही नहीं किया है काफ़ी टाइम से. सो आप वो शूज़ लेने जाते हैं बट फॉर सम रीज़न यू डोंट बाय इट, एंड यू क्लोज इट. यू आर लाइक नो मैं बाद में कभी ले लूँगा. बट वॉट हैपन्स व्हेन यू गो टू सम अदर वेबसाइट, you see the same ad of that same shoes. How many of you have seen that? आप फेसबुक पे जाते हैं, दैट वही सेम प्रोडक्ट की एड आपको दिखेगी. आप इंस्टाग्राम पे जाते हैं या कोई और XYZ वेबसाइट पे जाते हैं, आपको वो सेम प्रोडक्ट की एड दिखेगी. ऐसा आप लोगों के साथ हुआ है? से येस इनटू द चैट बॉक्स अगर आप लोगों ने वो चीज़ देखी है. Yes, so that is, ladies and gentlemen, we call it as a remarketing. ओके, वो भी एक कॉन्सेप्ट है. जैसे आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पर मुझे ये एड एपिगमा की एड दिख रही है बिकॉज रिसेंटली मैंने उनकी वेबसाइट विजिट की थी टू ऑर्डर दिस ग्रीक योगर्ट विच इज़ अ लैक्टस फ्री. सो दैट्स वाई दे आर फॉलोइंग मी, दे आर टारगेटिंग मी. करेक्ट. आप जाओगे ये वेबसाइट पर तो आपको कोई और एड दिखेगी. करेक्ट. सो दैट इज समथिंग विच इज कॉल्ड एज अ रीमार्केटिंग. Now, so that was more about Google ads and the different types of differentiation with what you have got from the Google ads. Now this is going to be the most exciting part of this entire session, what I name it as a how to earn by blogging. So I get this question lot of time from whenever I go. Maximum time ये question मुझे आता ही है students के पास से कि sir, can we make money from blogging? How many of you have a blog here? Let me ask you before we go ahead and start talking about how to make money through blogging. How many of you have a blog here? आप किसी का blog है यहाँ पर? आप कोई blogging करता है या किसी की YouTube channel है? Yes, anyone? No? Working on a blog? Very good, Arogya. So अगर आप लोगों का I've hardly got couple of responses out of 26 students, so I'm assuming most of you are not having a blog. Why? It's a free of cost. You can go ahead and make a blog. It's like blog will act as your diary. I mean, whatever you're passionate about. I've seen a lot of people, especially in my college times, they used to write diaries. They used to write poems. They were storytellers. They used to write stories. I always used to tell them, boss, if you have that much talent, why to keep it till yourself? I understand, I respect your decision and all of that, but then if you really want to do something with it, if you really want to, tell that story to everyone, then go ahead and start a blog. Everyone can see that story, right? So I would urge all of you to go ahead and set up a blog. It's free of cost available, right? If you don't want to buy a domain and purchase hosting, that's fine. You still can make a blog. All right. So once you have a blog, uh, then comes the question. बहुत सारे लोग ये पूछते हैं कि how to make money by blogging. And let me tell you, this is a next level serious career domain which is rising in not only in India में तो बहुत सारे लोग कर रहे हैं, but then in overall world, it is have started rising in, like, a lot of people have now started considering blogging as their mainstream career, right? So how do you make money by blogging? One is affiliate marketing, okay, which is the important kind of an activity. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Yes, can anyone tell me what is affiliate marketing? या आप लोगों ने पहले कभी सुना है affiliate marketing? Okay, Sanmit says showing ads on your blogging page. Very good. So that is one of the way of affiliate marketing, how affiliate marketing works. Okay, now I'll give you one live example. Let me share my screen again. I'll give you live example. You guys must have read those tech blogs, okay, जो रिव्यू करते हैं हर एक फ़ोन का. So for example, I say review iPhone 12 Pro in India. You see a lot of bloggers, जैसे NDTV Gadgets हो गया, ये भी इनका एक ब्लॉग है. Okay, you can also consider this as an example, or you can come down and see some other blogs, right? जो बहुत सारे इंडिविजुअल पर्सन भी होते हैं जो लोग ये लिखते हैं. नाउ कंसिडर दैट दिस इज अ रिव्यू आर्टिकल. ओके, दिस इज अ रिव्यू आर्टिकल. ऐसे बहुत सारे ब्लॉगर्स होते हैं जो रिव्यू करते हैं, करेक्ट, कि ये प्रोडक्ट के बारे में क्या क्या चीज़ें अच्छी हैं, उसकी कंपैरिजन करते हैं, राइट? एंड देन समवेयर इन देयर आर्टिकल you see a link from where you can actually buy the product. Can you see it here? Okay, now this link is an affiliate link, is an unique link. अगर समझो मैंने ये आर्टिकल पढ़ा और मुझे आईफोन अच्छा लग गया and now I'm planning to buy it, तो अगर मैं क्या करूँगा, यहीं से अगर if I'm clicking it and if I'm buying it, so what will happen? I am making money, or I would say I'm making commission by selling iPhone 12 on my website. Now, how it works? Okay, so smartphone में it ranges from 5 to 15%, okay, of commission that you can make by selling a product. There are different types of affiliate marketing. One, आप आपकी ad दिखा कर भी पैसे कमा सकते हो, और एक एक्चुअल जो कमीशन जिसको बोलते हैं कॉस्ट पर सेल जो आपको मिलता है, वो आप कोई अगर आपकी वेबसाइट पर आता है और किसी लिंक पे क्लिक करके खरीदता है, सो दिस इज़ ए यूनिक लिंक. यहाँ से फ्लिपकार्ट को पता चलता है कि ये बंदा मेरी वेबसाइट पर आया है, वो ये XYZ ब्लॉग से आया है, करेक्ट? सो कमिंग बैक टू हाउ मच मनी यू कैन मेक. So it differs from different category of products that you sell. In electronic, it ranges from 5 to 15%. Okay, now let's assume if you make 10% also. अब 1,20,000 का 10% कितना होता है? आई एम वेरी बैड एट मैथ्स, तो आप बताइए 1,20,000 का 10% कितना होता है? आई एम टेकिंग इट ऑन द एवरेज, एक निकालते हैं. So just imagine, that much amount of money, and let's say, you have made a blog and a lot of people are coming to your website and you are like selling roughly around 10 mobiles in a month. On a safer side, आप इतने भी पॉपुलर नहीं हैं NDTV Gadgets जितने. अगर आप थोड़े भी पॉपुलर हैं तो आप इजीली 5-10 फ़ोन अगर आपके लोगों आपकी वेबसाइट से क्लिक करके खरीद रहे हैं, तो यू कैन ईजिली मेक लाइक वॉट 1,20,000 a month, right? So that is called as affiliate marketing. And then there are एंड यू कैन ज्वाइन इट फॉर फ्री. ओके, ये अफिलिएट मार्केटिंग के जो प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं, जैसे मैंने एक फ्लिपकार्ट का बताया, फ्लिपकार्ट का एक अफिलिएट प्रोग्राम है विच इज कॉल्ड एज फ्लिपकार्ट एसोसिएट्स. देन यू हैव अमेजॉन अफिलिएट्स, राइट. तो आप वहाँ पर जाके रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं. ऑल ऑफ दिस इन डिटेल, कैसे अफिलिएट मार्केटिंग से पैसा कमाना है, ऑल ऑफ दिस इज कवर्ड in this detailed course as well. The advantage of affiliate marketing is के आपके खुद के प्रोडक्ट कुछ नहीं है. यू आर नॉट मेकिंग और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग योर ओन प्रोडक्ट. आप खुद की वेबसाइट है सिर्फ आपकी, आपका सिर्फ प्लेटफॉर्म है, आप सिर्फ दूसरों के प्रोडक्ट को प्रमोट करके आप पैसा कमा रहे हैं, राइट. सो दैट इज अफिलिएट मार्केटिंग. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर सम डेटा, some real life data. There is one blogger called as a Harsh Agarwal. I don't know, जो लोग ब्लॉगिंग फॉलो करते हैं, जिन लोगों ने कुछ आर्टिकल्स पढ़े होंगे, शाउट मी लाउड करके एक उनका ब्लॉग है हर्ष अग्रवाल का, जो एक्चुअली इन्फॉर्मेशन देते हैं हाउ टू बिकम सक्सेसफुल ब्लॉगर्स. वो हर्ष अग्रवाल क्या करता था, अभी वो अपनी इनकम शेयर नहीं करता, अदरवाइज वो हर महीने अपनी इनकम शेयर करता था कि हाउ मच मनी ही इज़ मेकिंग एंड फ्रॉम वेयर ही इज़ मेकिंग. ओके, सो यहाँ पर उसने अपना एक, ये काफ़ी पुराना डेटा है, आई थिंक 1-2 साल पुराना डेटा होगा, बट देन आप इसका इनकम देखिए, ये एक मंथ का इनकम है उनका. इट इज़ समवेयर अराउंड 10 लाख रुपीज़, राइट. एंड उसने उनका बाद में बाइफिकेशन भी दिया है कि हाउ ही इज़ मेकिंग. दिस इज़ जस्ट टू मोटिवेट, ये वो इसलिए करते थे कि आपको काफ़ी लोगों को मोटिवेशन मिले कि वो भी अपना एक आगे चल के ब्लॉग स्टार्ट करे, विच इज़, इट इज़ नॉट दैट इट इज़ दैट डिफ़िकल्ट. बट ऑफकोर्स, जैसे इंद्रनील जी ने कहा था कि अगर आप कोई चीज़ कर रहे हैं डिजिटली में अगर आपको आना है, तो यू हैव टू वर्क, right. You cannot just attend session, you go home and then you chill out, right. It's not like that. You have to put certain effort, you have to take actions, right. So that is Shout Me Loud. Maybe later on you can learn more about Harsh Agarwal. He's also known to be number 2, number 3 bloggers of India. Then you can make money through Google AdSense by showcasing your ad onto your website. So Google AdSense is again a platform where you can register, you can participate, and then Google AdSense will start showcasing some ads of other brands onto your website. And जितने लोग आपकी वेबसाइट पे वो ऐड को देखते हैं, जितने लोग आपकी वेबसाइट पे क्लिक करते हैं, so जितने लोग देखते हैं, जितने लोग क्लिक करते हैं, basis on that you get certain amount of money onto from Google to your account, right. So see here, Google AdSense act as a bridge, Google AdSense act as a broker, right. So let's say Samsung कंपनी है जो अपने इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स बेचती हैं, स्मार्टफोन बेचते हैं. So they go to Google AdSense, they go to Google saying that I want to promote my new product which is Galaxy S21, right. वो वहाँ पर सेट करेंगे कि मेरे ये Google स्मार्टफोन Galaxy S21 की एड्स मुझे दिखानी है सारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ब्लॉग्स पे. तो अगर आपने Google AdSense में आपने पार्टिसिपेट किया, अगर आपने रजिस्टर किया, विच इज़ फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, एनीवन कैन डू इट, तो वहाँ पर जब आप रजिस्टर करते हैं, एट दैट टाइम गूगल आस्क यू टू सिलेक्ट योर ब्लॉग्स कैटेगरी. तो वहाँ पर इफ़ यू आर राइटिंग इट अबाउट टेक्नोलॉजी, तो देयर यू सिलेक्ट अ कैटेगरी एज अ टेक्नोलॉजी और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक और रिव्यू ब्लॉग. बहुत सारे ब्लॉगर्स हैं ना, रिव्यू करके ही पैसे कमाते हैं. दे जस्ट डू अ रिव्यू एंड एंड में एक लिंक डाल देते हैं किसको भी खरीदना है, तो जब लोग खरीदते हैं तो वहाँ से दे मेक मनी. तो जब सैमसंग आएगा गूगल के पास, it will say that I want to promote my S21 into all the technology blogs, and if your blog comes under that category, Google will start showcasing your the Samsung ads on your blog, and from there the number of clicks and views you generate, वहाँ से you make more money. Okay. Then next we have which is I think the last topic, which is what we call as the content marketing. So what is content marketing? So I'll just sum up this in this one line. I don't know if you guys can understand this. This is one line tells a lot of things. I mean, I can talk about on this thing for hours and hours. You don't sell products, you sell stories. Okay. Do you know why reality TV shows works really well? You know why? Because they sell stories to you. You know, you connect with them, you know, emotionally. You think that, you know, yaar ye banda deserve karta hai, this guy should win this particular competition, right? Same happens in the digital world. See, in digital world there is there's little limitation that you cannot talk to a person, you know, but whatever you showcase on your website, through your message, through your images, through your creative, through your video, you have to tell your story. You don't have to sell your product, you have to sell your stories. I'll give you one example of Coca-Cola. Okay, Coca-Cola is very famous in terms of, coming up with different products, different creative products and all of that, right? So आपने देखा होगा कि आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी हैव हर्ड अबाउट दिस, इंडिया में आई थिंक ये इतना पॉपुलर नहीं हुआ था, बट रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इट बिकम वेरी पॉपुलर. What they were doing is, it was a concept of share happiness or share a coke with friend, where you can order by paying $5 extra. You can print your name or your friend's name onto the sticker, and you can gift it to your friends, right? Now this people excites, right? I've got my personalized bottle, and that to coke, correct? So this is called as, a content marketing, that you are promoting, you are attracting people, you are getting their attention, and you are getting more sales, from there, right? So that is content marketing. Again, if you look at traditional publicity versus the content marketing, here you have a TV spots, we have a video. Here you have a radio, we have a podcast. यहाँ पर you have a poster ads, we have a blog post. Here we have a print ads, यहाँ पर we have a infographics. Correct? So again, if you look at the impact point of view, in traditional marketing it is for a short time, wherein here you build a loyalty. अब अगर एक बार ही आपने वो प्रोडक्ट खरीदा, तो you get that feeling that the brand is loyal to you, and you have connected with the with that particular brand, and then you will reciprocate. एज इन आप फिर से वो प्रोडक्ट लोगे, बिकॉज आप बोलोगे नहीं मैंने पहले लिया था, द प्रोडक्ट इज गुड, सो नाउ यू विल बाय इट अगेन. करेक्ट? सो दैट इज समथिंग which comes under content marketing. Correct? Now okay, I think the screen is not visible. I'll just share the screen. So what happens in 1 minute on internet? Again, this is very old data, because every day this data is getting updated. In 1 minute, the moment I will complete this slide, consider it as a 1 minute, you see there are 24 like shares, more than 24 like shares are happening on Facebook. 2,16,000 photos are being uploaded on the Instagram. 3,400 pins are being created on the Pinterest. 72 hours of new video, uploaded on on the YouTube as a channel, just a YouTube. Okay, I'm not considering even the internet. So there is a huge scope, there is a huge audience out there, who is there working, who's finding information about your product, about your services, right? So that is why it is very important. Now I'll quickly show you how digital analysis works, जो मैं डेटा की बात कर रहा था, and that is the last part of this presentation. I'll show that data to you. मैं आपको random हमारे clients का data बताऊंगा, so that you can get to know. Let me just share my screen again for the Google Analytics. All right, so here you go. Let me just resume, new share. All right, just say yes into the chat box if you can view this screen. Okay, this is basically the dashboard of Google Analytics. Okay, so you get to know a lot of data. First of all, you get to know audience. Okay, as in the overview of audience, how many people have came to your website. So there you go. and you can change this from different period. Let's say I want to check ke last November month mein, from November 1 to November 30th, how many people have came to my website. So these are the new users. These are the number of sessions per users, number of page views, यानी होम पेज, अबाउट अस पेज, कॉन्टैक्ट अस पेज, कितने पेजेस पे वो लोग गए, एवरेज सेशन ड्यूरेशन, एज इन जब वो लोग ही मेरे वेबसाइट पर थे, देन हाउ मच टाइम दे स्पेंड ऑन माई वेबसाइट. So everyone, like average, if you look at, there were people were spending more than 3 minutes on my website. Okay, and then you get to see nice little graphs and charts. So यहाँ you can see 81% जो लोग मेरी वेबसाइट पे आ रहे हैं आर न्यू विजिटर्स, एंड 20%, अराउंड 19% आर द रिटर्न विजिटर्स. ओके, इसको और डिटेल में जानते हैं. ये तो आपने सिर्फ ऊपर का देखा, मैं आपको और डिटेल में बताता हूँ. यू गेट टू नो people who are coming to your website, from which location they are coming in. Yes, you also get to know that in detail कि यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स से इतने आ रहे हैं, उसमें से कितने न्यू यूजर्स हैं. ओके, और व्हाट इफ आई टेल यू कितने ट्रांजैक्शंस हो रहे हैं. तो इफ़ यू सी हियर, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स से 25,000 लोग आ रहे हैं, उसमें से मुझे 114 ट्रांजैक्शन आ रहे हैं, एंड आई एम मेकिंग अराउंड $8,000 from United States itself. Correct? So you get to know that much in detail, when it comes to, अच्छा, एक और चीज़ इसमें आपको एक्विजिशन भी पता चलता है, एज इन आपकी ट्रैफिक कहाँ से आ रही है. सो देर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रैफिक. लाइक वन इज योर डायरेक्ट ट्रैफिक. सो व्हाट इज डायरेक्ट ट्रैफिक? डायरेक्ट ट्रैफिक एज इन पीपल वेंट टू द ब्राउजर एंड सर्च योर URL like amazon.com or flipkart.com. तो अगर कोई वैसे आ रहा है तो that will be considered as a direct traffic. पेड सर्च, यानी जो लोग गूगल ऐड कर रहे हैं, जो मैंने हम दिखाया था ऊपर, जो लोग ये गूगल ऐड करते हैं ऊपर, वो वहाँ पर कंसिडर होगा अंडर दी पेड एड्स. देन अफिलिएट मार्केटिंग से कितने आ रहे हैं, डिस्प्ले एड से कितने आ रहे हैं, ऑर्गेनिक सर्च, यानी पीपल हु आर कमिंग फ्रॉम द ऑर्गेनिक सर्च रिजल्ट्स, वो यहाँ पर दिखाता है. तो यू गेट टू नो एवरीथिंग इन डिटेल. इनफैक्ट सेल भी आपको डिटेल में मिलता है अगर आपने ई कॉमर्स अनेबल किया हुआ है. तो यू गेट टू नो कि टोटल कितने सेल आया है, कितने ट्रांजैक्शन हुए हैं, और आपके एवरेज आपके प्रोडक्ट की ऑर्डर वैल्यू क्या थी. राइट, ये तो था मैंने जो स्मार्टफोन के बारे में बताया था, दैट ऑल्सो यू गेट टू नो कि कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी, कौन से ब्राउज़र से आ रहे हैं वो. Can you believe that? You get to know कि people are coming through Chrome, Safari, Edge, Samsung Internet, Android Web View. कौन से नेटवर्क से आ रहे हैं. You can also get to know कि वो लोग कौन सा इंटरनेट यूज़ कर रहे थे. ओके, you can get to know कि मोबाइल डिवाइसेस हैं या टैबलेट्स हैं या डेस्कटॉप है, कहाँ से आ रहे हैं लोग. सो ऑल ऑफ दिस you can track in this Google Analytics. And now you can also track real time. मेरी वेबसाइट पे अभी रियल में लोग कितने हैं. तो यू गेट टू नो अभी 36 एक्टिव लोग हैं मेरी वेबसाइट पे, और ज़्यादातर लोग होम पेज पर हैं. उसके बाद लोग अपैरल की वेबसाइट पे हैं, क्लियरेंस स्टॉक की वेबसाइट पे हैं. एंड यहाँ पे ये डेटा ये भी बताता है कि जो 36 लोग हैं, ओके, वो लोग में से 59% जो हैं वो मोबाइल के हैं, और 41% जो है वो डेस्कटॉप के हैं. ओके, दिस डेटा इज़ अबाउट वन ऑफ आवर क्लाइंट विच इज़ US बेस्ड क्लाइंट कॉल्ड एज nestedbean.com. ओके, they are into selling the sacks, the Zen sacks. Okay, इनका एक थोड़ा यूनिक प्रोडक्ट है. We will not get into that right now, but then when we actually take all these sessions, जो हमारे actual training होती है, that is basically where we cover these as a live case studies, so that when you learn with the live client, अगर आप किसी client का case study देखते हो तो आपको ज़्यादा समझ में आता है. Correct? So anyways, coming back to the presentation. In the presentation now I've got some tools to share with you, which you can I will email it to Pradhanji, and then Pradhanji can share it with all of you, so you can use those tools. Those are some free tools available which you can use. Let me just share the screen. So there are somewhere around 22 free tools available, which you can use for different types of digital marketing work. So मैंने वहाँ पे वो भी mention किया है कि ये tool आप किसके लिए use कर सकते हो, जो इस session का एक kind of it's a giveaway, and then that's it. Uh, I mean I cannot make you guys master into digital marketing in like 60 or 90 minutes, but then I just wanted to share just a gist, uh, just an overview. Of course overview में भी बहुत सारी चीजें आ सकती हैं, जैसे वीडियो एडवर्टाइजिंग हम डिटेल में कर सकते थे, but then I've thought to cover it the important aspects which are there popular in the market right now, okay, which is your blogging, Google ads, and then display ads and the Google analytics, correct? So that's all we have in this session. I hope all of you have enjoyed, and I hope something I've added to your knowledge today, into your kitty, that you've learned something new today. Say yes into the chat box if you guys have learned something new today. Great. I'm getting a lot of yes. Amazing. So yeah, this is just the like I said, just the gist of what we have in the detailed course. Everything, how to do it practically, how to use the tools, how to master Google, how to master Facebook, all of that is there covered in the detailed course that we have. So yes, Indranil ji or Narayan ji, now it's up to Narayan ji. It's up to you now. I think I'm done with the session. If you guys have any doubts, queries, please go ahead and ask that into the question, into the chat box.
Thank you very much for your beautiful presentation, Niranji. I also got a lot of things today, and it was really nice, very clearly explained. So thank you very much for that. I think we should take questions from if we can give 5-10 minutes more, then we can take questions.
Sure, I'm there. Yeah.
Okay. So I'll just ask everybody to have put up any questions they have been.
Yeah, if you guys have any questions related to digital marketing, maybe you're planning to start your career into it and you're worried that is it the right time to invest into digital marketing, or any questions regards to courseware, course content, any questions that you have, you can go ahead and ask into the chat box. I'll be happy to help.
यहाँहरुको कुनै पनि क्वेशन छ भने सोध्नु भयो हुन्छ। उहाँ कुनै पनि डिजिटल मार्केटिङको कुनै पनि I'm sorry, I'm speaking in Nepali.
That's fine.
So कुनै पनि क्वेशन यहाँहरुको छ भने प्लिज आस्क।
See, the duration of the course is basically on fast track. Fast track it is 3 months, right? 3.25 months. And on a normal track, it will go about 6.5 months. So total of about 148 hours of engagement, 2 hours per day, 2 घंटा per day का जो है आपका engagement है. So like in normal course, it is basically alternate day. और आपका first track में जो है आपका 6 days a week. आपका 2 घंटे का जो है कोर्स है, टोटल ऑफ अबाउट 148 आवर्स ऑफ एंगेजमेंट ऑनलाइन, एंड द ट्रेनिंग विल बी प्रोवाइडेड फ्रॉम इंडिया.
Okay, we have one question. What exactly we can do under digital marketing?
See, सिंपल सा बात है. डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, आप जब डिजिटल मार्केटिंग को देखते हैं, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड like what are the exit competencies. देखिए, or before even we think about exit competencies, let us think that digital marketing को जो है, digital marketing कौन सीखता है? See, some of the people, like जो school में है, school वाले children है, like who are reading class 8, 9, 10, and they're crazy about digital marketing. Fine. Facebook यूज करते हैं, WhatsApp यूज करते हैं, Insta यूज करते हैं, अलग-अलग चीजें यूज करते हैं. Now they know the art of digital marketing. Okay, they ask, they know the art of digital marketing. We will teach the science behind digital marketing. कि अगर ये चीज होता है, ये चीज कर पाते हो, तो इसके पीछे में जो है क्या चीज है वो हम बताएंगे.
Correct. And
Okay.
see, you can use, I mean, digital marketing can open up a lot of different ways for you. It's not that just, making a career into digital marketing. So if you learn this course, there are a lot of things that you can do. One, you can work in any digital marketing companies like us, where you are working on different brands, you are marketing their products, you are promoting their products into digital platforms. Two, you can start your own business. Okay, you can start selling an e-commerce. Any you can set up an e-commerce website. You can start your products, selling your products, or you can start selling your services. You can become a freelancer, where you are individual working and helping out clients across the globe, across the world. Then you can be a blogger. अगर आपको अभी lot of people, they work also, and then simultaneously they also write blogs, and then slowly then they become a blogger and blogger. uh, so yeah, these are different ways and different paths that you can take under digital marketing. Deepan says, how is click counted? Is there any limitations of the click? It is counted per device. Yes, Deepan. Because ऐसा कई लोग पहले बहुत होता था. काफ़ी स्टूपिड चीज़ है, बट काफ़ी लोग करते थे कि बार बार ही कॉम्पिटिटर का नाम सर्च करके उन पे क्लिक करके उनकी वेबसाइट पे जाते थे. तो ये सोच करके उनकी बजट जल्दी से मैं ख़त्म कर दूँ, उनके पैसे वेस्ट कर दूँ. बट देन गूगल इज़ स्मार्ट इनफ. तो एक डिवाइस से आपकी जो आईपी होती है, हर एक डिवाइस का एक मैक आईडी होता है, वेदर इट्स अ स्मार्टफोन और वेदर इट्स अ डेस्कटॉप और वेदर इट्स अ लैपटॉप. सो फ्रॉम दैट पर laptop per mac id in 24 hours time, it will be considered as only one click. Okay, so to answer that question, it will be considered as a one click in 24 hour per device. Vidyanand says, what we need to start up for digital marketing? What are the requirements to start digital marketing? Very good question. Okay, very good question. What if I tell you that you just need one laptop, you just need an internet connection, and आपको अगर बेसिक कंप्यूटर चलाना भी आता है, that's it. And if you know MS Office, like if you can use these tools, that is like cherry on the cake. But अगर आपको नहीं पता है, still it's fine. So why I always recommend digital marketing to the people is because one, it is in demand, it is in high demand at the moment. Two, you can easily learn it. There is no rocket science. There is no rocket science in digital marketing. आपको सिर्फ थोड़ा मार्केटिंग का ज्ञान आपको समझना पड़ेगा. you need to learn how to sell your product rather than डिजिटल तो क्या एक प्लेटफॉर्म है. आपको हम फेसबुक सिखाएंगे, गूगल सिखाएंगे, वो टूल्स को कैसे यूज़ करना है, उसको कैसे मैसेज को कैसे और क्रिएटिव बनाना है. तो अगर ये सारी चीज़ें आपने पकड़ ली, देन नो वन कैन स्टॉप यू. एंड this is the easiest way. I mean, you ask me, I have learned technical, I'm a technical student from my academics. So मैं एक BCA ग्रेजुएट हूँ. मैंने MCA भी किया था, बट फिर मैंने, बिकॉज अभी मेरे क्लाइंट्स आ गए थे, तो I've been drop out to the MCA at that time. But then I know the pain of being a technical student, and marketing something which always there to excite me. So मैंने marketing को digital platform पे ले गया. तो it's as simple as that. ऐसा कुछ भारी भरकम requirement नहीं है that आपको ये सारी चीज़ें आनी चाहिए. Then we have Arogya says, I was very interested in SEO, but people are looking for shortcuts, and social media ads are kind of shortcuts as they provide instant results. Will SEO really stand out in long run? What should I focus more on, social media or SEO? Very good question again, Arogya. So SEO is my favorite as well. Okay, हर एक का एक चीज़ favorite होता है. If you compare it with the any sports, let's say cricket, someone likes batting, someone likes bowling, someone likes wicket keeping. So for me, SEO is also the most important way. Now I'll tell you why SEO is here to stay for long term. And SEO is the most underrated marketing activity which people are not considering it. जिन लोगों को आइडिया है, जो लोग इसका इंपॉर्टेंस समझते हैं, दे आर स्पेंडिंग ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ मनी ऑन SEO. Why? Because SEO is an inbound marketing. See, you are not going to the customers. Customers are coming to you by searching on Google. Okay, so it is going to stay. And if you look at the overall pie of Google, out of 100%, only 15 to 20% of people will click on Google ads. Only 15 to 20% of people will click on Google ads, and these are those ones जिनको पता नहीं है कि ये ads हैं. ओके, अगर साइकोलॉजिकली मैं कभी एड्स पे क्लिक नहीं करता, बिकॉज आई नो दैट साइकोलॉजिकली इन माई माइंड दैट दोज आर एड्स, तो मैं हमेशा ऑर्गेनिक रिजल्ट्स पे क्लिक करता हूँ जो SEO रिजल्ट्स हैं. तो 80% ऑफ चंक पीपल हु कम टू गूगल गो टू द SEO रिजल्ट. सो नाउ यू इमेजिन कि SEO की कितनी स्कोप है. ओके, सो इट इज गोइंग टू बी देयर, एंड डोंट वरी, आई मीन SEO इज समथिंग विच विल नेवर डाई. If digital marketing is so effective, then why traditional marketing is still existing? So Sanmit, again a very good question. See, ये क्या होता है ना, एक शिफ्ट होता है इन ओवरऑल मार्केटिंग. आप ट्रेडिशनल बोलो या डिजिटल बोलो, जो कंपनीज होती हैं, जो ब्रांड्स होती हैं, वो एक पूरी ओवरऑल मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी बनाती हैं. To answer your question in short, earlier like 10-15 years back, कैसा होता था, परसेंटेज होता था, अमाउंट ऑफ परसेंटेज जो कंपनीज अपने मार्केटिंग पे स्पेंड करती थी. लोग पहले 80% ट्रेडिशनल पे करते थे, 20% डिजिटल पे करते थे. अब ये टेबल उल्टा हो गया है. नाउ टेबल्स हैव टर्न डाउन कम्प्लीटली. नाउ 80% पीपल स्पेंड ऑन डिजिटल एंड 20% पीपल स्पेंड ऑन ट्रेडिशनल मार्केटिंग. अब नाउ आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट गोइंग फॉरवर्ड ऑल्सो ये कम होते जाएगा या बढ़ते जाएगा. ट्रेडिशनल मार्केटिंग भी रहेगा, because see, digital is just a way of people communicate or consume content, but they still go out and buy groceries. They will still go out in malls, and they will explore. They still go out to travel. So that way, और कुछ brands के लिए traditional marketing ज़्यादा effective होता है as compared to digital. So it's not that a competition between both. It is just that digital marketing is little bit more effective at the moment and in the future as compared to traditional marketing. And we've seen it, right? You can measure it. आप ROI आपका अच्छा है डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में as compared to traditional marketing. आपकी टारगेटिंग अच्छी आप कर सकते हो, आप एग्जैक्ट कस्टमर के पास पहुंच सकते हो. So because of this, digital marketing is little ahead. About Google Analytics, we see the analysis but don't see where we can see analysis of competitors. No, Dinesh, there are websites like SimilarWeb. There are websites like SEMrush, Ahref, which gives you the data about competition, that how much traffic they are getting, how many keywords that particular website is ranking. So all of that is there. You can track, all of that. Pramod says, if course cover all contents discussed in detail practically. Yes, Pramod, course cover, things in detail and in practically too. Arogya says mine too. Okay. Great. SEO is done with website or can be done with Google business page also. So Google business page would be considered as a local SEO, Dinesh. But then yeah, it's overall part of SEO. So we have covered that in the SEO course where we talk about local SEO and how to optimize your Google My Business page and your maps. So it is overall comes under, it's a small part of overall SEO. Arogya says thank you, but the scene is a little different in Nepal and that kind of worries me. So I don't think so. Then if you are talking about digital, then you should not kind of constrain yourself into region wise, into geographic wise, because we are digitally available to everyone. So you can do a lot of things, right? So yeah, that's about your answer to your questions. Good. I see 22 participants are there, so roughly around 90-95% attendance. I thought I will bore you guys and you will leave the session in between, but it's good that all of you have stayed till the end. Yes,
Yeah.
any other question? I'm still there. I'll be happy to answer it.
If
If
anybody
anybody
has any
has any
question, they
question, they
can
can
put
put
on,
on,
and
and
then
then
regarding the
regarding the
course
course
details and
details
all
and all
that
that
admission
admission
procedures,
procedures,
you
you
can
can
always
always
contact me,
contact me,
and
and
then
then
I can
I
guide
can
you on
guide you
that.
on that.
Indraji,
Indraji,
you want
you
to say
want to say
something?
something?
So, see, um, Hirenji has taken up all the questions. I thought of answering this one, but since there was someone who wanted the expert to answer, there's a best suited answer, which is anyway like Hirenji has already taken care of that. So I think over here I can only wish the participants a big thank you for joining, and wish you all the best. You know, and for any queries, you feel free to get in touch with Mr. Pradhan. So regarding the course, regarding the timing and all this and that, and regarding the admission procedures. So if there are anything else, then I think like Hiranji and I will just log out.
Okay. Thank you thank you very
Thank you
much.
very
Thank you
much.
so much for your time.
Great, great. Thank you everyone for being such a nice participants, and I wish all of you, all the best. Best of luck for whatever you do, in future, whether it's regards to digital or anything. Okay. So great. Bye bye. It was nice catching up with you all.